Okay, so we have a vlog diary, 16th of July 2022, around about 7:30 in the morning. Just pointing out here that I'm leaving some water out for the foxes, which tend to come from the allotments down the bottom of the road, and they always leave me little messages on my doorstep, which I have to clean up most days, but nonetheless we're experiencing some very warm weather in the UK at the moment, and I think it's a good idea to leave a bowl of water out for whatever needs it, because it has not rained in literally what seems weeks and weeks. So I shan't bore you with this bit too much, but basically what I'm doing, I just go down the lane and I pick up some litter, because obviously there are certain people who haven't got the ability to put rubbish in a bin. That's a good start to the day, isn't it? Very proactive. Yeah. Okay, that's the old drone. I'm going to take some of the propellers, the better ones anyway, off of this one and stick it on my new drone. So robbing the old one to replace things on the new. Yeah, so the propellers, some of these are a little bit damaged. In these you get a few bits and pieces when you buy one. You get spare propellers and things. I've actually gone on eBay because I've had so many crashes. I've had to go on eBay and buy some more. It's a very simple thing to do. Normally it's a simple thing to do. Basically it's just taking just one propeller off, just one little screw. That's all it is. What you're supposed to do, what the manufacturers say, is that you are supposed to replace them with brand new screws. So this can be a little bit fiddly, but it's really important that you maintain your drone, so that you don't have any incidences or any accidents. So just tighten that up. See, that's basically replaced now. What I'm now going to do, I'm now going to go around and tighten each and every one up, just to be sure, because you never know, it might just, with the vibration, it's spinning around so much, it might work its way loose. So in the afternoon I picked up around about 4 PM and took up to the Oxfordshire village of Hook Norton, which is in the north part of Oxfordshire. I picked up a lady from Longcott and took her to the Hook Norton Brewery, and that's it there. So this shot here is taken from the top of my car. I had a camera mounted on my taxi sign, so that's where you get the view from. This is coming in from the north into the village of Hook Norton itself. A bit of information on good old Wikipedia about this place. So Hook Norton is a village and civil parish in Oxfordshire. It lies 4.5 miles north-east of Chipping Norton, close to the Cotswold Hills. In 2011, the census recorded the parish population as 2,117. The village is formed of 4 neighbourhoods. They're called East End, Scotland End, Down End and Southwark End. A bit more information. History. The Anglo-Saxon Chronicle records that a Viking army from Northampton raided the Hook Norton area in 913. The village had a parish church by 922. The Domesday Book records that in 1086, Hook Norton had 76 villagers and 2 mills. Their land noted 1540 the existence of a deer park at Hook Norton, which was owned by King Henry VIII. So you go around the village and you deliver.
Yeah, so we're one of 3 breweries now that still deliver our beer by Horseshaw Grey. The one you see here is the one that we use for deliveries. This is the best show. We're out to the anniversary party. Martin here, he's turned out at his finest again, the best.
Right. Okay, right, yeah. And how far would you go?
Our furthest pub's 1.5 away, so you live
Right.
in a 3 mile radius.
Yeah, yeah. And for pubs which are further afield, you've got lorries to do that. Yeah, yeah. But it's nice to see, isn't it? You know, you've kept tradition alive.
Very lucky.
Yeah, brilliant. I've literally just moved about 400 yards down the road. I come to this really nice pub, and obviously I can't go away without at least trying a half a pint of the local brew. Let's hope that they sell it in here. If I like it, I might get another one later. I can't drink too much because I'm driving.
Yeah.
What's the volume on that, do you know?
It's one of the lowest, 3.5.
Oh, okay then. No, that's okay. God, that's rather good, isn't it? My goodness.
Big fan?
It's very Moorish, that is, yeah, definitely. I do like ale, actually, proper ale at that.
So do
yeah,
I.
a bit of a fan. Okay. Here we go. Right, so whilst I enjoy the fine weather and the fine beer, I shall read you some history about the brewery. It was founded in 1849 in Hook Norton in Oxfordshire and was designed as a tower brewery in which all the stages of the brewing process flow logically from floor to floor. Until 2006, the brewing process was powered by steam. However, the historic Victorian steam engine, dating from 1899, is still in the brewery, and it is run weekly for visitors. So now we can talk about the pubs and the tied houses. The outlets for Hook Norton ales, they include supermarkets, off-licences and free houses. The brewery also has a network of 47 tied houses spread across the region. They are in Oxfordshire, Worcestershire, Gloucestershire and Warwickshire. There are 23 Hook Norton pubs in Oxfordshire, 9 in each of Northamptonshire and Warwickshire, and 3 in each of Gloucestershire and Worcestershire. Right, time to go. It's great, cheers. I really enjoyed that, it was really nice. I might be back later. Okay, cheers. Okay, so I did some flying yesterday around Warwick Castle. When I got home, for some reason the SD card did not save the footage. Oh, that was a bit gutting. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to format my SD card, so hopefully that way when this thing starts to respond, then hopefully that way I can just kind of wipe it clean and hopefully start again. There we go. Okay, right, give you a spin around, shall we? Give you a bit of an idea of where I am, my whereabouts. There's a bit of a beer festival going on at the moment. Over to the side there, you can see that there's something going on there. Some kind of a festival, I think. Yeah, it is a beer festival. I saw the signposts for it. Just give you a bit of a zoom down. There is a bit of a band going on there, some music or what have you. But anyway, we're heading over towards the pub where I was at just now. If I can get my bearings, I'm just trying to see where it is. Yeah, this place is pretty much stuck in the middle of nowhere. And I'll obviously let you know where middle of nowhere is. This is in the deepest, darkest Oxfordshire. Yeah, where the green grass grows, which has now gone all brown because of the lovely weather we've been experiencing. Yeah, so that's Hook Norton down there, village of Hook Norton, from the air. So there we go. That's the village there. It's not a huge place, as you can see, and it's in the middle of the Cotswolds. And yeah, it's a nice place. Now, I'm not too sure what there is to see around here. I've done a little bit of research about this place, but not a huge amount. So I'm not really sure what I can show you. Now I'm going to try and find that pub where I was at just 20 minutes ago. And I've got an idea it was probably somewhere around, sort of down around about here somewhere, I think. I'm heading in the general direction of it. Oh, we got a church over there. Let's go and have a look at the church, shall we? I'm going to put it on high speed just to get there a little bit quicker. So every sizable village in the UK has a church, and there's the church there. Let's give you a bit of a spin around it, shall we? Here we go, a controlled spin around the church at Hook Norton in Oxfordshire. What's the time? Can't see it. Anyway, there we go. That was the church at Hook Norton. Now let's head on back in the general direction where we are. That's the pub. That's where I was at. That's the brewery there. So yeah, all's going good. All is good. And we're gonna head on back over towards where I am. Let's go a bit lower, shall we? Oh, never mind. That's a bit of a shame. I was going to go into the beer festival. I just spoke to one of the doormen, and he said you've got to pay £10 if you want to drink some beer. Well, I don't really want to drink any beer. Wouldn't mind maybe just half a pint or something or whatever, you know. But I'm not going to pay £10. Okay, so this is the Hook Norton Festival of Fine Ales. This is on the 16th of July, 12 o'clock noon to 11 PM. Plenty of time to get pissed. So £10 gets you in. With that you get 2 half-pint beer tickets from the beer list, or a beer list. £5 gets you entry only, then you've got to buy your own beer on top of that, and I think it was £6 per pint. A lot of the money, I think, goes to charity, so that's obviously a very good cause. Now, people who go to this place, these are real ale lovers, and what people were doing, they were camping here, enjoying the beer, enjoying the atmosphere, and enjoying the sun. A bit like what I wanted to do, but I really just wanted another half a pint, so I didn't really want to go and spend £5 or £10 to you know, to do this. It would have been £5 entry plus £3 for a half a pint of beer. Would have been £8. Wasn't really willing to pay that, but it would have been nice to go in just to see what it was all about. Anyway, people, that's basically the end of my video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Please like and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for doing so. And I'll say bye for now, and I'll see you on the next one.